Welcome back, everyone. So April is National Brunch Month, so April is National Brunch Month. So naturally, we called our dear friend Luciano Espinoza from Sweet Paris Creperie and Cafe at the Shops at La Cantera.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. It has been too long since you've been here.
Right. I'm always happy to be here, as usual.
And we love Sweet Paris, too.
Thank you so much.
And I would assume that you get real busy around brunch, huh?
Right. I mean, what we want to do at Sweet Paris is basically take our guests into a different experience, you know.
You do.
As soon as you walk in a restaurant, you will hear lively French music, you know, everything, you know, setting the stage for our unique item, which is the crepe.
The crepe.
A very versatile, you know,
I know. Xavier and I were just talking about the fact that you have so many crepes, all different kinds, on your menu.
Right.
Today you're making the Alamo crepe.
We are going to be making the Alamo in honor of Fiesta.
I love it. So what's in the Alamo crepe? And I'll let you get started here, Luciano.
Sure. We're going to be using our typical batter.
Okay. This is my favorite part. You are such a pro at this.
Yes. Let's spin some batter in here. And then we're going to be tossing some ingredients in there as soon as we flip it.
What is the secret here to getting the crepe just right?
Basically, as long as you have it thin, you know, you'll be great.
Okay.
And
you also need one of these suckers at your house.
Not really.
No, what? You can make it like this at home?
You can make it on a skillet. And you'll be fine.
Yeah, I'm sure it'll look just like this, Luciano, if I do it at home on my skillet.
And I'm pretty sure that everyone has a skillet and you know the typical ingredients like the flour, eggs, milk. You're good to go.
Okay.
All right.
So
the next thing we're gonna do here, we're gonna fold it. Gonna add some of the mozzarella cheese, and then bacon. You can't go wrong with bacon.
No, you cannot. So we're doing a savory crepe here, the Alamo crepe.
It's a breakfast crepe, pretty much. Yes. And then in honor, you know, for San Antonio, that's, you know, why we name it like that.
He's bringing the flames out.
Yes.
Yum.
All right.
Okay.
And
torch it a little bit.
A little bit of oil. We're almost ready here.
Is this a popular item?
It's a very popular breakfast brunch item, exactly. Remember that in our menu we also have savory, sweet breakfast. We have paninis. We have salads also.
Great salads. I've had a couple of
And then for those who are gluten-free, gluten sensitive, we also have our option of the gluten-free batter.
Oh, that's nice of you.
On display right here, one of them, which is the berry agave crepe.
That's the gluten sensitive.
That's the gluten-free batter, exactly.
Gluten-free, totally. Okay. There's one you have, I know, that's a huge, huge hit, the Nutella. Don't you have a Nutella crepe?
The Nutella is our top seller crepe.
Okay, that's the one my kids used to love.
You can get it just plain, or strawberries, or bananas, or any type of fruit that you may have. You know,
okay.
All right, we're ready to plate it here. It goes in the center. Sprinkle some chives. It's all about the presentation.
Of course it is.
Some salsa.
Naturally. Oh, look, gotta have the salsa. And voila.
Voila.
The Alamo crepe.
The Alamo crepe, exactly.
And this is on your menu all the time?
All the time.
Okay, so you can get it anytime. But
you can get it at brunch, breakfast, yes. Okay. And we also have a few items also for breakfast, which are displayed right here, which is our French breakfast, either you know, kind of eggs that you want to be breakfast.
Sure. Well, you guys are just the best over at Sweet Crepes and Sweet Paris Crepes. What I also wanted to talk about was the Sweet Passport. How do people become members?
Just go to our webpage, www.sweetparis.com. Download the app, and you're good to start with that.
So how would you get special benefits? And
you get a $5 discount on your first order online, exactly.
Nice, and go see Luciano.
It was good to see you too.
It was good to see you too, friend. So go and celebrate National Brunch Month over at Sweet Paris at the Shops at La Cantera. You can call them, or you can always go to sweetparis.com. This looks delicious.
We are located on the main street at La Cantera.
Oh, yes, you are. It's always busy. And you have a little outdoor area people can sit.
We have a chic patio, pet-friendly, you know, nice ambience with French music.
I know.
And always, for these hot summer days, you can always enjoy a mimosa.
Ah, Luciano, a man after my own heart. Yes. Oh, and you have a medal, too.
Yeah.
Your medal is lovely. Look at this. Real quickly, I want to show this off here, Steve. It's your Fiesta medal. How do people get one of these babies?
Basically, if you order $60 or a little bit more, you get one of those free.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Crepes and medals.
Crepes
Thank
and
you
medals.
so much, my friend.